Hello guys! Mon Montenegro! So for today's video, may na-discover na naman tayo na highly recommended na kainan. Dito lamang ito sa may Tayuman. So this is the Sanchon Asian Cuisine Tayuman Brunch. And from Tayuman, gilid lang ito ng Jollibee. Lalakad lang kayo papuntang Favela Hospital. So tapat ng Favela Hospital guys, tapat lamang yan as you can see. Akit lang kayo ng second floor. And they offer 399 per set. For this set guys, they offer unlimited pork and chicken, 11 kind of premium quality, unlimited wings, 10 new flavors, unlimited buffet, 20 plus dishes, and they offer 499 all-in set, unlimited beef, pork, and chicken, 15 kind of premium quality, unlimited wings, 10 new flavors, unlimited buffet, 20 plus dishes. And they have student promo, birthday promo, and they open 12 noon to 12 midnight guys. Guys, follow niyo yung kanilang fan page, Sanchon Asian Cuisine, para makita niyo yung kanilang mga offers. And guys, highly recommended to guys. Sana mapuntahan niyo. Yun lamang. Paalam. Bye-bye!